So people do ask about what other treatment options for snoring. There are something like an oral appliances that you can wear at night time, or the most commonly the gold standard people talk about the CPAP machine, which forcing air inside the system. They are really reasonable and good treatment. I probably won't hold back on calling them as a treatment, as we don't see a permanent changes into the soft tissues that they're actually creating the noise sound. Because once you remove that device, the snoring comes back. So they are really helping aids in some certain cases. We do see some results out of it. However, because of the compliance, the bulkiness, and attaching the machines or device, walking with it every time you go somewhere, people do not like that way of treatments.